Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to see a topic regarding the consent. Yes, we can see why signed consent can still be wrong. So we can just go into the explanation and see what it is exactly about. Here we have to always remember that is a wick free. It is an important mnemonic which comes under the ethical consideration and the consent. Here the wick free is an great importance you can remember. If any one of this particular letter is missing, then your consent is not ethical. Yes. Here the abbreviation of this mnemonic wick free is V for voluntary. The consent has to be voluntarily given from by the patient, and it has to be informed. Yes, whatever procedure is you're taking consent, it has to be informed priorly by the physician or the provider, and the consent which the patient is giving, he should be competent. Yes, he should be competent. He should not be under influence of drug like sedation, or he should not be absent minded, or he should not have any psychiatric illnesses, and it should be full disclosure of particular procedure, what exactly the procedure the patient is undergoing, what are the pros and cons of the particular procedure has to be explained to the patient, so that the patient can give the consent with the full information which he is getting from the provider. And he has the full right to refuse if he is not willing. Even after giving the consent, he has the right to go against the consent, and he has the right to refuse, and the consent has to be explained by the provider. It is the right of the provider to explain the consent, and the consent has to be equally important. It should be explained in his own language. Yes, we cannot give any family members as an interpreter. There's a professional interpreter being assigned by the hospital, so that particular person will interpret the particular information which has to be conveyed to the patient, so the information can be conveyed, and the exact idea can be given to the patient, so the patient can understand and give his consent. If you miss any one of the aspects from this wick free, the consent is unethical. Yes. So thank you, friends. Happy learning.